Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Prebell with Billiomonil India. My name is Rajashekar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst, part of MarketSmith India team, which manages the model portfolio. The standard disclaimer across our webinars podcast is registration granted by SEBI, membership of BASL, and certification from NISM in no way guarantee performance of the intermediary or provide any assurance of returns to investors. Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. So let's start this podcast by looking at Nifty's chart and understand how the market is placed. Clearly, the momentum is on the positive side. As you can see, Nifty has been scaling new highs continuously for the last more than 2 to 3 weeks. And the volume has also picked up during this phase, which is a very positive sign. So there is a strength in the current ongoing rally. Not just Nifty, broader market indices, mid cap and small cap indices are also trading at their new all-time highs. So again, a positive sign there. So overall, the market breadth is inclined towards advances, and also most of the stocks in the universe, NSE or BSE universe, are doing good and breaking out from their base patterns, are clearly above trading above their moving averages, making new highs. So most of the stocks, if you pick any random stock, you'll see 3 out of 4 are doing good in this current market. That is what historically has been the case. Whenever the market is in at new highs, you'll see most of the stocks also making new highs and breaking out from their base patterns. That itself, that is nothing but the market itself is accumulation of all the stocks. So whenever the market is at highs, that indicates most of the stocks are also doing good. And coming to again Nifty, uh, we are still in a confirmed uptrend because Nifty has been trading at new highs. But there is one distribution day which happened on the index front. That is here. Nifty declined more than 0.2%, and the volume on that particular day was higher than the previous session. So that was constituted, or we considered that as a distribution day. But going forward, we would again see if there is any accumulation of those kind of distribution days going forward. And if that number increases to 4, 2, or 5, and Nifty retraces towards its key moving averages, then we'll slightly become cautious and change the market status to under pressure. Until then, we stay in confirmed trend. And model coming to model portfolio stocks, we are already having a very good adequate number of stocks in portfolio. And if there is any stock which is not doing good or moving sideways, we'll exit those stocks and move to other stocks which are giving good strong breakouts in the current market. Some of the stocks which are in news and which will be under radar today are starting with Hero Motor Corp. The company has increased or planning to increase stake in Ather Energy, which is a leading two-wheeler segment manufacturer in terms of electric two-wheelers. The company is planning to increase its stake to almost 40% from the current 36.7%. And for this, the company has to do an investment of nearly 140 crores of rupees. Apart from this, there is some shuffling happening in the management as well. I can see the company has appointed Vivek Anand as its chief financial officer, and starting from the next March 1st of 2024. Previous to that, Vivek has been the CFO at DLF company for the last 4 years. And also, the company has appointed a new chief human resources officer, Rachna Kumar. Uh, Rachna was holding a CHRO position at the Whirlpool Asia currently, but after March 1st, these two will join the management of company. Texmaco Rail has received an order to manufacture and supply nearly 3,400 wagons for a consideration amount of 1,300 74 crores of rupees. Yesterday we have seen Jupiter and I think Oriental Rails. Some company has received a similar order to supply wagons to the railway. State Bank of India has bought nearly 6.4% of stake in Canpac Trends. The company is involved in paper-based packaging solutions. This stake is valued at 50 crores of rupees, and the company will buy this stake at a price of 1349 rupees per share. Mazagon Dock Shipbuilders, in collaboration with a solar electric boat manufacturer in Kochi, has launched India's fastest solar electric boat, named as Saur Shakti. Coming to institutional activity, yesterday, both foreign institutional investors and domestic institutional investors were net buyers of Indian equities. FIS have bought heavily of equities worth more than 3,500 crores of rupees, whereas the domestic institutional investors bought more than 550 crores of equities. Overnight, US market closed in the positive territory. I can see Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, three major indices which we track have closed more than in the range of 0.2 to 2.4% higher. Asian markets are also trading on the positive territory. So overall cues from the global market, that is US market and Asian markets, are on the positive side. So let's see how the gift Nifty is placed. It is trading at a price of 21,400. So clearly above yesterday's closing, that is 21,200 level. That was the closing for the Nifty yesterday. So clear 200-point higher is expected from the gift Nifty, but we might see positive opening, but we might not see such a higher opening. But definitely, if the positive opening is sustained going forward, we can see another session of positive closing for the Nifty, and Nifty making a new all-time high in this session as well. For the chart of the day, we picked Triveni Turbine. The stock has been doing very good. Currently, it is in the ideal buy range of its cup with handle base pattern. It has broken out in the last month, but the volume was not there at that particular moment. And from there, the volume has come down drastically during this phase. But the selling which happened in this stock has not happened on the higher volume, a positive sign. And we have seen a couple of sessions where this stock has moved higher on above average volumes, indicating good accumulation. The same is indicated by its A by D rating of A minus. Coming to other ratings, EPS is at 90, indicating a strong fundamental character for the company. You can see the sales the company has been able to generate have been in the range of 30 to 40% growth for the last 6 to 7 quarters here. RS rating is slightly undermining, that is at 45. This is majorly because currently market has been moving higher. Nifty has been making new highs. Broader market indices are also making new highs. But at this juncture, this stock has been moving sideways. That is the reason RS is at lower. But when we see the stock breaking out clearly and advancing further, definitely this RS line will also improve from here. That is the only rating which is lagging at this particular moment. Number of funds indicating institutional sponsorship has been very good for this company. You can see here for the last 4 quarters, there is consistent of net addition of funds into the company, a very strong thing on the institutional front. So overall, on the ratings wise, apart from RS, everything is looking good. The price volume action is also looking good. So if the stock comes under radar today on good volume, definitely we might consider. We have been keeping this stock under our radar. And if you're already holding this, you can keep stop loss below its 50 and 100 EMS, which are very close. A couple of points below that will do as a good stop loss. Thanks for joining.